Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Toyota Highlander. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and you have all the necessary items. You will need about 6½ quarts of new 0W20 synthetic engine oil, a new oil filter, and a new drain plug gasket. Also, gather your tools, a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a suitable drain pan. Safety first, so always wear appropriate protective gear. Now, let's get that old oil out. Carefully lift the front of your Highlander using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Always prioritize safety here. Once the vehicle is stable, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath, then use your wrench to carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old oil to flow out completely. With the old oil drained, it's time for the new filter. Locate the old oil filter and use your oil filter wrench to carefully remove it. Be prepared for a little more oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Finally, replace the drain plug with a fresh gasket and tighten it securely. Almost done. Now, locate the oil fill cap on top of your engine. Slowly pour in approximately 6½ quarts of your new 0W20 synthetic oil. After adding, replace the cap and lower your vehicle. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if needed. Finally, inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.